Let's watching some animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one is a triceratops. This is a triceratops. A triceratops. The next one is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle.
And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here
The
and
next
a
one
there,
is
here, there,
a
everywhere.
camel.
Old
This
MacDonald had
is
a
a
farm,
camel.
E-I-E-I-O.
A scorpion.
Old
This is a
MacDonald had a farm,
scorpion.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
A
a
shark.
dog,
This is a
with
shark.
a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next one is a T-Rex. This is Tyrannosaurus
Old
Rex.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A
And on
sea
his farm he
turtle.
had some
This
ducks.
is a sea turtle.
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald
A
had a
starfish. This is a starfish. Alligator. This is alligator.
And on his farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
A cow.
there,